Thingamabob, 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 thingamabob.
Get your butt to your radio,
'cause we're about to start the show.
we're here from 6 o'clock till 8.
Can't wait, can't wait. Friday night thingamabob is the best.
It's a lot better than the rest.
Tom has everything all prepared.
Susanna just sits there on the chair.
Everybody's here at Argyle FM. Tom and Susanna here from 6 till 8 p.m. Mr. Cottons here and Sir Jason Magoo. Philip Brusby has got some brand new news for you. Everyone who's listening, please clap your hands. As long as we stay clean, we won't get banned. Jump to the left and stomp your feet and shake your sexy hips to the rhythm of this beat.
Hello! Welcome to the Friday Night Thingamabob.
The 7th show.
Seven, lucky
I just
lucky
had my
number.
fingers up and I couldn't remember how to do 7. 7.
Lucky number for some.
Why?
And you want to say it.
It's good. Hello there, everyone.
No, we're still going with the music.
Yeah, we are.
I always say welcome to the Friday Night Thingamabob
Okay,
because they're all
welcome.
coming in here, but
Okay.
trying to say it.
That's Fraser Cosgrove's tune that he made up on Sibelius, the music programme, and
it's our new theme tune
yeah,
for the duration of.
I quite like the can't wait, can't wait. Yeah, that's my real voice.
Yeah, you're going right that high. Yeah, so last week we did 3 hours, and that's like the same length of time as a normal Radio 1 show, like Greg James and Fran Cotton and all that. So
Yeah.
we're now like, woo. We're very,
Like, wait.
we're very professional. Yeah.
You wish.
So, yeah.
Hi, Tom.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
I actually really enjoyed the show last week. I thought it would be quite difficult to fit in like something for a whole 3 hours, but it was good.
It was, and it's not on YouTube at the moment because
Hurry up, man.
it's 3 hours and just annoying. It'll be over the weekend.
Good.
I'm sorry.
Because I want to listen back.
I'm really sorry. Well, anyway, Jason Magoo, what time is it?
Well, it's time to start the show, Tom.
Oh, thank you. He's so cool, isn't he? Right, okay, here's Jason Magoo. This is what we'll be doing right from now. And Jason Magoo is going to tell us what's coming up on today's show. Take it away.
Tonight's show is Guy Fawkes themed. We have an interview with Jed Wood. We have news from Philip Raspberry. We have a brand new game that we'll be playing every single week. Would you rather? We quiz Ailey Bailey and see how much she really knows about the Friday Night Thingamabob. And we've got a big fireworks display. There's all of that and the usual Guess Who, big quiz, birthday shout-outs, Susanna's one and only game that doesn't have a name, and a lot of witty jokes from your very own Jason Magoo. The Friday Night Thingamabob is the place to be. Or more like, the thing to be listening to, because you're not actually coming to the studio. That'd be ridiculous.
Yeah, and remember to subscribe to YouTube and to Facebook via SMS, email. So yeah, oh yeah, and we've got an email address, www.
No, you're really not.
www.fridaynighthingy@hotmail.co.uk. Yeah, so let's start the show with a nice firework song.
You didn't say kickstart this
No,
time.
I
Well
didn't.
done.
See, I'm improving. Let's start the show with a fireworky song. Firework!
Yeah, quite a lot of these songs are to do with fire and fireworks and stuff.
Yeah, just because they mentioned the word fire in it.
Because it's like the 5th of November and all that.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it then.
Remember.
Hit it!
Here we go! Firework by Kate Bloomin' Perry. Yeah, woo!
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you You're so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in. Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em where you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em where you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em where you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon.
Hi.
Hi there.
Hiya.
So, what's the biz?
Wait,
What is the biz?
I passed my driving test this week, as you probably have heard a million
well
times.
done, laddie.
Right. I just want to say a big thank you to
me.
Martin Brown from Flying Colours Driving School. He was actually just a brilliant driving instructor. I recommend him to anyone. Billy's cool too, but Martin's extremely fantastic.
Okay.
And yeah, it took me like 7.5 months or something. But I got there,
Oh, well done, Sue.
and I love Martin. I miss him. I actually want to go back for lessons.
Why don't you just take him on a ride in your car and...
I have a car.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, just pay for extra
So I'll
lessons.
pass my test and then I'll probably not drive till after uni or something. If I get into it.
What if you forget everything?
Just
Just
get
like,
some more
mm.
lessons.
With Martin.
Yeah, and I'll come back to town because I'm probably moving away next year.
Oh, Susanna!
Oh,
Oh, poo-poo!
I can't wait.
You realize you're cutting thingamabob time.
Oh.
Because if you
Oh,
were still
right.
here, then we'd be able to still do thingamabob after the summer holidays till September.
That's a shame. But you might have run out of ideas by then anyway, and you'd be like, let's just finish this show.
I never run out of ideas.
You do.
Yeah, that's right.
What
Okay.
did you do, Tom?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. What did I do? What did I do, Susanna?
You actually did nothing.
No, I'm sure I did. No, I did do something. I made cake.
You made Empire biscuits.
Yeah.
I made cake. Great achievement.
I don't know what I did. I did nothing
I don't
all
know what
week.
I did.
That's what I hate it when you realise, you look back on your week and realise you've done nothing. Oh, insane.
Yeah, loser.
I did stuff. Oh, okay. Well, okay. Whatever.
Did you go for a walk?
Did I?
Dunno. I'm asking you.
No, I don't think so.
Did you take the dog a walk?
No, I didn't.
Did you take your dad a walk?
Yep, that's right.
Yeah. That sounds good.
So, Susanna, what do you think of the X Factor? Because a lot of people are talking about it in school and stuff. And
Oh,
it's just like, oh, shut
yeah.
up, X Factor.
Well, I thought Aidan Grimshaw started off really, really good.
He's really bad at the moment.
Oh no, but he's really nice. I love his smile. I can't really do it on radio, but he always goes like.
It's great. Great radio.
Yeah. And he was really good the first week, so I went mad while I was on the piano because I love that tune. And then the next is it 2 or 3?
It was
Whatever.
4. It's been 4.
4.
I think.
So the three other weeks he's not been as good. So I think he like peaked too early, and then he was like, "Oi!" And then he went downhill.
Yeah.
What do you think on Aidan?
I think he's a bit overrated. Okay.
What about Matt Cardo?
Oh, he's good.
I didn't like him that week.
No. Wait, last week.
Oh, but he's good the other weeks, but I didn't like him that week then.
No.
I can't wait for X Factor tomorrow night. I love Saturday.
Your highlight of the week.
I know.
He's Sado.
I know.
Your highlight of the week isn't seeing friends, isn't going out and having a good time, it's sitting in, watching X Factor.
But you can watch it with friends.
Yeah, but you don't, because you're a loner.
That's true. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you so much.
You have no idea what that means to me, by the way. Tom, what? Hi. One Direction.
Uh-huh. What about them?
They're all really hot.
Being fake women. That's all I hear from you.
I know.
I love One Direction. I love them. I really wish I could meet them so they can sign me.
Tom. They can sign me. Oh, you're right. I know, I just love Liam, actually. What's your favourite? Which one's your
I
favourite?
don't actually really care. To be honest.
Well, I do.
Okay, there, what?
I do care.
All right, yeah, you can see what you're doing here. Okay, so yeah.
Guy Fawkes night tonight.
Yeah. In case you didn't notice, I haven't actually heard any fireworks going off at the moment.
No,
This is
I
very
haven't.
boring, people. Come on.
I heard one last week.
What last
Ralston
week?
Ralston Road.
Wilson Road.
Yeah,
Load.
road.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it was a little, and then it was gone. Forever.
Great. Great bonfire
like-
mystery. Oh, yeah. It's just like he's just done a poo, and it's like, oh, sorry. Let me bring it back. But don't you think fireworks are just like, me, like the big, me, oh. It's like, oh, my goodness. You know.
Just let you ramble on for a bit.
Thank you. Okay, here it says, Guy Fawkes Night, also known as Bonfire Night. See, you always say that it's never called Bonfire Night, but it is. Okay.
I always say that.
Well, you said it once. Anyway, it's an annual celebration held primarily in the United Kingdom. Why only in the United Kingdom? I suppose the United States has the 4th of July.
I don't really know what it is. I've never really looked into it. I just know it's Guy
It's
Fawkes
like-
who blew up the House of Parliament.
Well,
but I don't
he didn't
even-
actually. He got caught before he did.
He got caught. Oh, so he didn't even blow them up.
No, he got caught, like, because good watching horrible histories on CBBC really gets your knowledge up, you see. One of his friends I think one of his friends was in the palace at that time or something, so he wrote a note saying, oh, don't be in the palace that night because we're going to blow it up. And then his friend told the king, and then, you know.
Yeah, I didn't understand it.
Well, everyone else did. Okay, good. Okay, yep, okay, good. That's enough from bonfire history.
Great.
Just because I probably would get it wrong and everyone will be like, no! You know what I mean? Because we've got a lot of hardcore bonfire night fans out there.
Right, stick on a song or something.
Okay, yeah, we got 2 songs here. We got Only Girl, because you requested that.
Yeah.
And we got The Ring of Fire by...
Johnny Cash.
Yeah, Johnny Cash.
Because the
It
fire.
says fire in it, and we always like to please our old
And
fans
then
as well.
The Only Girl, that's to do with fireworks night because it's like, only girl in the world. And in the world you get bonfires and fireworks.
And also in the video there's fireworks.
Exactly.
Exactly, in the music video.
Yeah, that's right.
So yeah, here we go.